Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be making caldo de albondigas or meatball soup. This is the way I like to prepare it. I start off by chopping zucchini, carrots, and potatoes. I add 8 cups of water in a pot. I'll also add sea salt, and that would be to your taste. I add the vegetables and bring it to a boil and then let it simmer. Then these are about 2 pounds of ground turkey meat, but you can use beef or even chicken. I add 3 teaspoons of dry parsley. This is for my meatballs. 2 teaspoons of onion salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, 2 eggs, and a 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs. Mix it all together. Use your hands to make the meatballs. Once you have our meatballs together, you can start dropping them in the pot. This is the time you can add more water if you need to. Meanwhile, in the blender, this is to give the broth flavor. 2 garlic cloves, a piece of onion, and chipotle peppers from a can. This is chipotle peppers with adobo. I'm going to use 2. I don't want to make it too spicy because my grandkids are going to eat from this. I put 2 peppers and a little bit of the adobo. You can make it spicier if you like. I'm not, but if you like, you could add another pepper. I put 2 tablespoons of the beef powder, 2 tablespoons of the chicken powder, 2 cups of water. You blend that all together and pour it into the pot. You don't need to strain it. Add more water if you need to. Mix that all together. Add a small bunch of cilantro for extra flavor. And simmer it until the meatballs are cooked through or the carrots are easy to bite through. And there you have it. Caldo de albondigas or meatball soup. I encourage you to make it. If you like this recipe, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.